Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my tasty tiny hand. So this is River Neelam. Okay, can you see it? River Neelam. River Neelam.
Yes.
Okay. So on this side is all Pakistan. On other side of the Neelam, can you see that board? These are all okay. India. Okay. Bye.
That side of the river is all?
India. Can you see all these houses are all India. Can you see the board?
Yes.
That's the India world. This is the India world. This is the Pakistan world. Can you see?
Yes.
That's right.
Okay.
And
Thank you for your lovely information, Zanzibar.
Zanjabil?
Khudafis.